guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Anfal Ahmad Fauji and this is my student diary. Today we are going to see computer system network. So let's start. Contents: internal components of a central processing unit, that's called CPU. Functions of a CPU: how computer hardware components work together, different types of storage media, how data is represented in computer systems, how encryption can be used to represent data, how images or sounds are represented in computer systems, how compression can add the storage of data, images or sounds, a description of the purpose of logic gates, a description of the different types of computer network, a description of the hardware and transmission media used in computer networks, an identification range of World Wide Web technologies, and the last one is a description of the purpose of different types of computer network topology. So let's go. Internal components of a central processing unit: the CPU comprising the arithmetic logic unit, registers, control unit, instruction registers, program counters, and the bus is the brain of the computer, enabling it to retrieve, decode, and execute instructions. Internal components of a central processing unit: CPU. Arithmetic logic unit performs arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And the second one is registers, small amount of the chip memory that stores data temporarily. Control unit retrieves instruction from memory and decodes them. Instruction register holds the current instruction being executed. Program counter holds the memory address of the next instruction to be fetched. Cache memory, small fast memory that stores frequently accessed data. Functions of a CPU: retrieve instructions from memory and decodes them. Instruction decode determines the operation to be performed and the data required. Operation fetch retrieves the operation's data required for the instruction. Data processing performs arithmetic and logical operations on data. How computer hardware components work together. Power supply. The power supply is the device that converts alternating current, that's AC, from a wall outlet to direct current for the electronic devices. Motherboard. A motherboard is the main circuit board in a computer, connecting and supporting whole hardware components such as a CPU, RAM, and storage devices. Control processing unit. The central processing unit is the primary component of a computer that executes the most instruction that a computer program requires. How computer hardware components work together. The next one is memory and RAM. Random access memory is the type of computer storage that temporarily holds data. Storage drive. A storage drive is a device that stores and retrieves digital information on a computer. Graphic card. Graphic card, also known as a video card, is a circular computer component for rendering images on screen. Sound card. A sound card, also known as an audio card, is a crucial computer component that produces sounds through speakers or headphones. Network card. A network card, also known as a network interface card, NIC, is the computer component that allows a computer to connect to a new network. Input or output devices. Hardware components that allow users to interact with the computer, such as keyboards, mouse, scanners, printers, monitors, and speakers. Hard disk drives store operating systems, programs, and data. High capacity, low cost per GB. Solid state drives, high performance storage for computers, laptops, and servers. Flash drives, portable storage for transferring files between devices, store and transfer small files. Cloud storage, online cloud storage, individual and businesses store and access files from anywhere. External hard drives, portable storage for computers and laptops. SD cards, storage for cameras, smartphones, and other portable devices. Different types of storage media. Computer system represent data using binary digits and bytes, which can represent 256 unique values. How inscription can be used to represent data. Inscription is a secure method that converts plain text data into unreadable ciphertext text using an algorithm and secret key. Inscription can be used to represent data into main types: symmetric key inscription, asymmetric key inscription. Representing images. How images and sounds are represented in computer systems. The first one is images. Computer systems and images and sounds are represented as digital data using binary code. Pixels assign color values using RGB models and sounds as audio waves converted into digital signals. Representing sounds. These digital representations are stored in files like JPEG for images and MP3 for audio. Computer systems stores data, images and sounds using various formats and compression techniques. Text is stored as ASCII characters. Images are compressed using JPEG and GIF algorithms. Purpose of logic gates. What are logic gates? A logic gate is an electronic circuit that performs a logical operation on output signals, producing an output signal based on a specific rule or function. There are several types of logic gates. You can see here: AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate and SNOR gate. AND gate. An AND gate is a digital logic gate that outputs 1 only if all input signals are 1. There are 4 major types of network: local area network, wide area network, personal area network and metropolitan area network. Local area network is a computer network that connects to a device within a small graphical area. LANs are typically owned and managed by a single organization, used in homes, office and schools. Personal area network is a computer network that connects devices within a 10 meters range, allowing them to communicate and share data. PANs are often used for personal conversation, signing devices or transferring files. A wide area network is a computer network that spans a large geographical area, connecting multiple local area networks for communication and resource sharing. PANs are commonly used by organizations with multiple locations such as businesses, governments and educational institutions. A metropolitan area network is a computer network that connects multiple local area networks in a metropolitan area. Bus topology. A bus topology is used in small networks where all devices are connected to a single cable. Star topology. A star topology is used in a network where a central device connects to troubleshoot and a single device failure won't affect to an entire network. Ring topology. A ring topology is used in high-speed networks where data travels in a circular configuration. It's fast, reliable and fault-tolerant, but a single break in the ring can bring down the entire network. Mesh topology. A mesh topology is used in networks where each device is connected to every other device. It's a highly reliable, fault-tolerant and provides multiple paths for data transmission, but is complex, expensive and difficult to install. Tree topology. A tree topology is a combination of bus and star topologies. Hybrid topology. A hybrid topology combines 2 or more different topologies. So thank you guys. So now I'm going to put the reference in the last page, and my YouTube video link is, I'm now going to upload this video and going to share. So thank you for watching. Thank you guys.